This is a card tower, also known as the leading cause of depression. Now, I'm sure you've all seen these triangular shaped card towers somewhere, but not everyone knows that there are many other ways that a card tower can be built, as well as many other ways that it can be used. For example, if you have 2 cinder blocks laying around and you have nowhere to put them, you can build a card tower, which acts as a perfect shelf. If you have too much time on your hands because you have no life and no friends, well, just spend days on end creating gigantic buildings out of cards. You can build circular card towers, you can build tall card towers, any shape you can think of can probably be recreated in card tower form. So today, I'll be teaching you how to build my favorite card tower, the circular one. Now, this card tower is very cool to look at and not too hard to build. Also, if you post it on Reddit, you'll probably get a few thousand upvotes. So what you're going to need for this is a whole bunch of cards. You can use playing cards, Pokemon cards, or any other card for that matter. Once you have that, you're going to need a very flat and stable surface to build your card tower on. Now for this, I'm just going to be using my table because it's very flat and emotionally stable, unlike myself. Alright, so what you're going to start off doing is taking 2 cards and leaning them against each other to create a triangular shape, just like that. Then you're going to do the exact same thing with 2 other cards right next to that, except this time you're going to add 1 more card for the roof. And there you have it, your first little card structure, and now you're about 1% of the way done. So since we're building this card tower in a circular shape, we're not going to align the next triangle perfectly with this one like this. We're instead going to angle it a bit inward and then place the roof on. So as you can see, this is not going exactly to the side, it's angled a bit forward. And you're just going to keep doing the same thing all the way around until you have a nice circular shape. Now it's probably going to look more like a mutated oval shape at first, but keep on trying and you'll get there eventually. Now once you finish the second and third layers, you can technically stop there if you wish, but if you have any more cards, you can technically go as high as you want. Now of course I chose to stop there because I have better things to do and I ran out of cards, no other reason at all. But anyway, that's all for the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.